Hello everyone, this is the official Gamer 53 here, and this is my first video ever on this channel. The only reason I'm using Bandicam for this is because I can't use Fraps to record on my desktop, because I'm not going to be recording anything today. This is an introduction to my new channel, and if you don't know me, I'm the official Gamer 53. You might know me from some videos because of this desktop background and my voice. Sorry, I have a little cold, so if I keep doing that, you'll know why. So, I am here to introduce this channel, the Pirate Bros HD. It's going to be me and 3 other friends. So, yeah. I'm here to introduce this channel where you're going to be doing games like Grand Theft Auto San Andreas, Minecraft, and where are my games? All these motherfucking games. Yep, look at all those games. Okay. We have Amnesia, we have Curse of the Aztecs, we have Dawn of the Horror Story, we have Hylophobia, we have SCP Containment Beach, we have almost all the freaking Slenders. We have The Raid Back to Asylum, we have Vanish, we have the full version of Amnesia, Call of Duty Black Ops 2, Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2, Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 multiplayer, Clover's Adventures, Cry of Fear, Curse of the Aztecs, Grand Theft Auto 4, Grand Theft Auto San Andreas, Craven Manor, Outlast, Penumbra the Black Plague, Super Squat Simulator, and a bunch of other games from Steam. So that's a lot of games we have there, and we're going to be getting more. I am working on getting, oh yeah, we're also going to have Slutty Tubbies. I am working on getting, what's it called, Gary's mod, but it's really dragging hard because it takes like 5 hours to download, and it costs money. So this is the only time I'm going to be using Bandicam, as I just said. The other times I'm going to be recording, I am going to be using Fraps, right there. Yep, Fraps, the full version. So that's the only reason I'm using Bandicam, to record my desktop. And whenever I do record my desktop, I'm going to be using Bandicam. So ignore that thing that says Bandicam at the top. So yeah, the other people I'm going to be playing with are 3 of my really good friends: Jason Olo, Glide Smooth, and Jake33162. We will all be posting videos on this channel, the Pirate Bay. Alright, not the Pirate Bay, sorry. Whoops. Don't look at my Skype! Don't look at my fuck. Alright, here's the channel. If it will show, ignore that video. Ignore that thing that says how to record your screen yourself. Just ignore that. Whoops. Okay, here's the channel. We currently don't have channel art, but yeah, there's Jake33162. We have an emblem, but Jake is going to be working on the channel art, since we only currently have this. Yep, there's me, there's him. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. This is our first video, and yeah, bye guys.